a lot of knowledge and also will be able to give a reader how they can see the words are. In my personal opinion, the advantages for people who have read a book outweigh the disadvantages. Firstly, reading book will give you various advantages are. First, benefits are more knowledge. It is taken from many books. To be honest, you go to depth deeply on the best, but if you are this smart person to take this diamonds. For example, a lot of successful persons such as Habibi spend much time to read book. And finally, he know more than us. And still, plenty of brilliant humans in country or of our or overseas taken a lot of time, especially 7 hours a day to read a book. That's why reading book more important for our life. However, the disadvantages will come from the reader who are incapable manage the time on their lap. Particularly, reading books because of spend a lot of time. As a result, they are able to take plenty of time to do other activities. For instance, enjoying their hobbies, watching movie, and definitely they will make lost their time and also less to sociable with their friends. But that is will be better if they capable to manage their time or having time left to do what they want to do. Ultimately, reading books are essential for our life to get more knowledge, although will take a lot of time to do other activities. But if we have time plan, if we can't manage our land, that is about our priority, that is good for us to take more knowledge. So, we said that we can read a book more and more. That is, can learn about the other experience before we can do anything what we want to do. For example, that is a firstly for our general knowledge to make a plans for one planning. So I think that is why reading books is more important for our life.
Right, question.
You mentioned before, how can a book reader or avid reader, someone who loves reading a lot, can become less successful?
Yeah. So that is about a lot of experience nowadays in surrounding our life. That is, smart people right now. A lot of smart people lost successful because they just focus to learn about the knowledge, and also they make duty or practice what we have get passed from their lecture. That is, I think that is my view of opinion, because I see right now that is especially for the smarter sons have the individualist persons, because what they only focus on their goals. So what is successful? That is especially for the village, right now, not about the towns, because in the city don't care about the others next quarter. So what's different from the village? Because the village a lot of activity that is about the gotong right now.
Sure.
So if we don't come to other activity like the
Voluntary work.
our friend homes about the that is a party of marriage, and also they cannot come to our activity. or party. That is because of that. I think right now a lot of especially young people makes to their friends to make it sociable, and especially in the coffee shop or other activity that is about the community in a village. We can collect a lot of idea to build something for to build something that is about increase our regenerations in our village. That is be better. That's smart people never comes to or never be a participate to community or to events.
Right, any question?
How you see a person who are smart, but because of the smart, he become a bit arrogant. How you see this situation? Is it true, or every smart people, it is a must, they will be arrogant? How you see this situation?
Depend condition, right?
Yeah, and in this day, that is depend on condition.
Yeah.
So, if we never saw anything or never speaking with other people, that is arrogant people, right? So, smart people and also inside in the room or inside in the home never make interactions with the other people. That we can just that they arrogant because they never care about other people. For example, that is about the something in our village that is to build or to establish some events or make new events that is can't make plans in the future to make good our village. So if they are smart people, but they can share their idea, we can say that's people arrogant. We don't care about they be sociable in the other place like in their colleague or their jobs or company, but we can see our village if they live in our area. So I think right now my personality opinions who never make a sociable each other that is arrogant people.
Right, any question? Yes, mashallah. Would you date a bookworm? Would you date a bookworm? Itu buku. Mashallah. Would you date a bookworm? Date. Ajaran. Mashallah. Why?
I think in Aceh, we against the groups is not good for our province, because in Aceh right now, if we can see from the political, that is not about the smart people, but also about networking each other. If we have some friends in the government, we can easily to be employed in their that company. But when we compare with other provinces like the Java, they see objective people. That is about the smart people or about what they can do for their company or for their government, especially about the ideas or about the if we say a company about the innovation to increase or to make their company widely known for the other people, for the customers. But in Aceh, I think the partial intelligence.
Alright, any question? One more question for me. Last question for you. Right? Do you love reading book or not?
Exactly, I love, but talk more. Because what I said before that, because my purpose, that is, I want to live in Aceh and I want to make grow Aceh to be better. For example, for instance, my village, so I can switch with situation of my village. So I can make step by step right now how can I be able to make sustainable with other people, especially in our village. That is good that I read more book and read a lot of references, but we can share with each other. We can make friends with villagers right now.
Alright, that's it. Alright, thank you.